Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon. We're here in Manila, Makati.
Hi everyone, now we in Manila, Ermita, it's Malate, and we're going to eat in the Robinson. We park car here, because in Robinson not easy to park car in front of New Coast Hotel Manila. This is Shira use face mask. Filipino street foods here. Las Palmas Hotel de Manila also there. This is Mabini Street. Mabini Street. One way only. This is one way. Robinson, Manila. Food court. go to food court.
Kamay Kalbayinan.
This one, this restaurant Bibulalo, yes?
Yes.
Okay, L3. L3. So we go into the up. From up. Oh no, same.
Level 3.
Okay. Level 3, okay. Go to escalator. Proceed to level 3. Okay.
It's already full.
Oh, Christmas tree, good. Good looking. Robinson Manila. Oh, discount also. Discount now. So we're going to level 3. It's level 2 now.
May mga laptop.
Oh, we're already in food court. Maybe I will sit here. Okay.
So expensive. Take a look.
But it's another restaurant, not Kamai Kainam.
It's not the same.
Not the same?
It's for you only.
It's for you.
I will buy
You
another.
another order.
Yes.
So it's for me only. Expensive. How much I don't know. 300 peso. Bolalo 300 peso. But in Pampanga, in San Fernando, same and bigger. No, bigger, same Bolalo, 200 only. Manila, more expensive. And not so many meat. Yes. In San Fernando, bigger. What Shira order? What is this?
It's liampo.
What?
Liampo.
Better remove face mask.
It's liampo. It's pork. And then it's vegetable laing. And then soup. It's 150 all.
Only 150.
Yes. And this one is 300.
300, not meat inside. Oh. Okay.
That's it.
We just finished it, and now we going to outside Robinson. Have near McDonald's. Shira will wait me in McDonald's. She will drink in McDonald's, and I will walk in Ermita. It's you can see in the another video.
That's better we buy here in Marugami than in Bulalo there.
Yes.
Because in Marugami, you can eat, you can pay for 180 and it's already with drinks and with food, good food already. But there in food court, you pay for 300.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Now Shaira go to McDonald's and she will wait me. And I will walk in next video. You can see walking video from Ermita and Manila. Ermita Malate in Manila.
Bos,